This with me is 100% raw collagen. If I want to make it cheaper, I can add like 10% of this collagen powder, 40% of some sweetener, it will make it sweet, and then I can add 20% of a preservative, 20% of some flavoring agent, and 10% of some ascorbic acid like vitamin C. Vitamin C helps with the absorption of the collagen. So in this way, what I will sell you is basically a combination of different chemicals. But the thing is, it will be cheaper for me. But what you get is in 1 tablespoon of collagen, you will get only 10% of collagen. Rest of the 90% are basically chemicals. So what I am giving you over here in this bottle is 100% raw collagen. If it does not taste very good, we can do something about it. I will tell you ways how to take this raw collagen.
Assalamu alaikum wonderful people, I am Dr. Asma Mahmood, and collagen supplements have several benefits related to skin and joints. Collagen makes the skin glow, it makes the hair long and stops hair fall. People who complain of bone and joint pains must try a collagen supplement. And people who suffer from any autoimmune disease or suffer from leaky gut should be taking collagen because collagen lines the gut. In the past, I have shared many recipes using this collagen powder. I have even taught how to make a bread. To see the recipe, you have to subscribe to our channel. But if you don't want to bake bread, you can just mix a spoonful in your morning cup of coffee. In my bulletproof coffee, I usually add about 1/3 cup of coconut milk that has 1 gram of carbohydrates, or you can mix cream also. And I add a teaspoon of collagen powder and sweetener of choice. I usually add no cal and some homemade butter according to my fat requirement. It makes a wonderful coffee for the start of the day. I have it usually with my peanut butter sandwich. You can see my peanut butter sandwich in 2 halves of flaxseed bun. I have made a whole playlist of different easy keto breads with different kinds of flours. Do view it. Anyway, if you are not a tea person, you can also mix your collagen green smoothie. I have taught how to make green smoothie. In this green smoothie, I add amla. Amla is a rich source of vitamin C. You have to take vitamin C with your collagen because vitamin C increases the absorption of collagen. So you can add water, but I add sparkling water, that is like carbonated water. Also added some kefir ice cubes that I made out of kefir, and that is not necessary for collagen. But basically kefir is healthy, that's why I added. And just like that, your kefir rich green smoothie is ready. Just a few days back, I made low carb keto friendly custard and added collagen powder in that also. I shared the recipe of how to make low carb keto custard. Do stay tuned to watch the recipe. Anyway, I added some sparkling water and voila, a wonderful delicious custard drink is ready. I can go on and on how to use collagen in your regular foods, but the simplest way is to mix collagen in lemon water. See, I have these ice cubes that I made out of lemon juice, and to it I am adding sparkling water. You can add simple plain water also, and to this I'll add just a teaspoon of collagen. You can add any sweetener that you like if you want. I don't like any sweetener in my lemon water. Personally speaking, I've been taking this collagen powder for the past 10 years. And that's why I'm capable of showing you so many ways of taking your collagen. The thing is, collagen is a wonderful addition to your supplements. But if you're getting a bucket load of chemicals with it, that's not good. And in the ways that I've shown you, you can easily manipulate what type of sweetener you want to use. If you're making it for kids, you can use date sugar. If you are making it for someone who is diabetic, you can use keto friendly sweeteners, or even if for old people, the date sugar is the best sweetener. Just make sure that you take it with something that is rich in vitamin C, because vitamin C increases the absorption of collagen. And if in any case you don't like the collagen powder at all, you can also take it in the form of capsules. But remember that one capsule is only 500 milligrams. Grams and milligrams, they basically vary by a factor of 1000. As a matter of fact, if you have been taking collagen capsules for your joint pain, say for example, and you're not experiencing any improvement, just increase the dose. That is, take collagen powder. Trust me, it will work, because this is one of the most wonderful supplements that I have used. In the comment section below, let me know how do you take your collagen. Till we meet next time, take care. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.